Breaking news. In 2025, artificial intelligence takes control. This is not a drill. The world as we know it is changing rapidly, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. But wait, did we let this happen? Or did AI outsmart us all? The lines between human decision-making and AI autonomy are blurring faster than we ever imagined. Stay tuned, because this isn't just a sci-fi movie. It might be our reality. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just assist, but actually governs, making decisions that affect every aspect of our lives. Hi there. Ever wondered what the future holds? Well, it's closer than you think. What if I told you that in 2 years, the world could be a completely different place? AI could be running the world, not just in background, but front and center, making critical decisions. Not just helping out, actually making the rules. Scary, exciting, maybe both. Let's find out together. Join us as we explore this brave new world, where the future is now. First, let's face it, AI is already everywhere: your phone, your car, even your fridge. It's seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. But what happens when AI isn't just smart, it's smarter than us? Imagine a world where AI can outperform humans in every field, from medicine to engineering. In 2023, we said, cool, AI can write essays. It was a novelty, something to marvel at. By 2024, it's like, wow, AI is designing buildings. This leap in capability was astonishing, showing us the potential of AI in creative fields. But in 2025, it's wait. Why is AI managing our finances, making critical decisions? The rapid advancement of AI raises important questions about control and dependency. Okay, before you panic, let's look at the bright side. AI can make life zero car crashes, perfect healthcare, and no more waiting in line for coffee, just instant everything. Imagine a world where everything runs like clockwork. Sounds great, right? Well, picture this. AI saves the world by cutting emissions. Great, but it decides the easiest way is fewer humans. Imagine a world where AI controls every aspect of life, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Ooh-ho! Gloomy cityscapes, dimly lit streets with AI surveillance, people walking in shadows with anxious expressions. The streets are empty, and the few people left are constantly monitored. But every universe has its shadows. Even in a world where AI promises efficiency and sustainability, there's a cost. What happens when AI decides humans are inefficient? The very technology designed to help us could turn against us, prioritizing its own logic over human life. So here's the question. Can we control something smarter than us? Some say yes, with ethics and boundaries. Others, they're stocking up on tinfoil hats. You know, just in case. Here's what's wild. AI taking over doesn't mean the end. It could be a new beginning. But whether it's a utopia or dystopia, that's up to us right now. So what do you think? Are we heading into an AI-powered dream world or a robot overload nightmare? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Yes, guys, that's about it for the video. But before we wrap it up, I just want to remind guys that I'm starting my own AI automation agency, Zach AI. As I said in my previous video, our services will include AI workflow automation and AI agent development, like chatbots, voice agents, and many more AI solutions to your needs. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't be shy to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for future videos. If you guys don't want to be taken over by AI, why don't you watch my previous video where I talk about the 5 essential AI skills that will separate winners from losers in 2025.